Good morning. In the previous video, we learned about irrigation, sources of irrigation and methods of irrigation. Today, we are going to learn more about agricultural practices. Let us see lift irrigation system. What do you mean by lift irrigation system? In some places, the level of the field is higher than the source of water. In such places, a lift irrigation scheme is installed to lift water for irrigation from surface water bodies such as rivers, ponds, lakes, etc. It requires construction of an intake well. This intake well supplies water through intake pipes. Now let us see waterlogging and excessive irrigation. What do you mean by waterlogging or excessive irrigation? When too much of water is given to the soil, it becomes wet. The water accumulates around the plants. This is called waterlogging or excessive irrigation. Excess water do not permit proper aeration. Roots cannot hold the crop upright. It inhibits the germination of seeds. The plants which do not resist strong winds fall down. It increases the amount of salts in the soil and damages the soil fertility. The growth of the weeds in the field reduce the crop production and quality of the food grains. So it is necessary to remove the weeds from time to time. The weeds will spread very fast because they produce a large quantity of seeds. The types of weeds differ from field to field, crop to crop and season to season. Some of the common weeds found in wheat and rice field are wild oat, grass and amaranthus. Weeding. The process of removing weeds from a crop field is called weeding. Methods of weeding. Removal of weeds by pulling them out with hand. Removal of weeds by using a trowel or kurpa. Destroying the weeds by spraying weedicides. Removal of weeds by pulling them out with hand. Weeds can be removed just by pulling them up with the hand. When we pull the weeds, they get uprooted from the field. Removal of weeds by using a trowel or kurpa. Weeds can be removed by cutting them close to the ground from time to time with the help of kurpa or trowel. Destroying the weeds by spraying weedicides. The poisonous chemicals which are used to kill the weeds in the field are called as weedicides. For example, 2,4-D MCPA butachlor. 2,4-D means 2,4-dichlorophenolic acid. MCPA means 2-methyl-4-chloro-1-phenoxyacetic acid. A weedicide solution is sprayed on the crop in the field with a sprayer. Weedicides will kill the weeds but do not damage the main crop. Protection of crop from stray animals, birds and pests. Stray animals. Crops can be protected from stray animals by putting a fence around the field. Birds. Protection from birds. Birds can be scared away from the field by beating a drum or scarecrow. Protection against diseases. Plants are damaged by diseases caused by fungi, bacteria and viruses. Protection against diseases can be achieved by sowing disease-resistant variety of seeds, treating seeds with fungicides before sowing. Insecticides, pesticides and fungicides are sprayed on the plants, and the chemicals which will kill only the insects are called insecticides. The chemicals which will kill pests are called as pesticides. Harvesting. What is harvesting? The cutting and gathering of the matured food crop is called harvesting. It normally takes about 3 to 4 months to mature the crop. Green wheat and paddy fields turn to golden yellow at the end of this period. This change in color from green to golden yellow is due to the maturity of the crop or ripening of the crop. Once the crop has matured, it is ready for cutting and gathering. And in harvesting, crops like wheat and rice are cut close to the ground by hand using a cutting tool called sickle. This is called manual harvesting. In large fields, crops are cut by a motorized machine called harvester. Harvesting is followed by threshing and winnowing. What is threshing? The process of separating grains from the harvested crop is called threshing. It is done by hand and also by a thresher. Winnowing. What is winnowing? The process of separating grains from the chaff and hay with the help of blowing wind is called winnowing. It is done by hand or by a machine called winnowing machine. Storage. Storage is an important part. The harvested food grain needs to be stored to protect it from insects, pests, rodents and fungal diseases. The food grain is stored in sunlight to prevent the growth of bacteria and fungi. And these dried grains are stored in a suitable storage. Storage is of two types: dry storage, cold storage. Dry storage is a method used for storing non-perishable food materials like food grains. It is on small scale or on large scale. On small scale or at domestic level, food grains are stored in jute bags or metallic bins. On large scale or at commercial level, the food grains are stored in gunny bags or silos or granaries. Cold storage. Cold storage is a method used for storage of perishable food materials like vegetables and fruits. They are stored in low temperature. Food from animals. Animals are also an important source of food. For example, cows, buffaloes give us milk. Ducks, hens are source of eggs. Fish, goat, hens are source of meat. Honeybees gives us honey. Milk, meat, milk, eggs, fish are source of proteins. Meat is source of fats and proteins. Curd liver oil obtained from the fish is rich in vitamin D. Animal husbandry. The domestication of animals on a large scale is called animal husbandry.